Cosmology segment. So today's Cosmology segment is super exciting, and here's why. First of all, Jupiter's Aurora are in the news. Here's a close-up of one of Jupiter's poles, and the Aurora associated with it. And I just wanted to talk briefly about open versus closed magnetic field lines. So in these areas here where it looks dark, you've got actually open field lines, which is why there are no aurora there. These areas right in here are open potential field force lines. But where you see the aurora, those are closed field force lines. Here's a full planet view of Jupiter's Aurora. And here's an article about it on SciTech Daily. So some interesting insight here. Turns out that Jupiter's polar regions are actually a combination of open and closed potential field surface source lines, magnetic field lines. Some stretch out into space where you see no aurora, and some reconnect with other portions of the planet. Jupiter's magnetosphere is so huge and powerful that if you could see it from Earth with the naked eye, it would be about the size of the full moon. And everybody's probably well aware that Jupiter only looks like a small point of light, like a bright star. I'll just let the article scroll here. Again, that is from scitechdaily.com. I don't know why we've got medical stuff on the screen. That was not my plan. Now, there's nothing random about V906 Carinae. Here's a simulation of V906 Carinae, which we, quote, randomly, end quote, selected yesterday as a random object to feature in yesterday's Cosmology segment. It's just a simulation, folks. But what it is a novel remnant area discovered in 2018. And you can find all kinds of information about this if you'd like to read about it. V906 Carinae. Now, let's talk about something much larger. The massive radio source located at the core of galaxy M87. So now this has been all over the news in the past couple of years. And we've got an incredible article here featuring data from 19 different facilities on Earth and in space. So you can see Hubble Space Telescope and Chandra and SWIFT and ALMA and the VLBA and the EAVN and so on, the EHT. And this is all about this article here. Unprecedented observations of the famous black hole. The quote, black hole, and quote. You can find links to all of that at SciTech Daily. Absolutely fantastic analysis. All kinds of close-up imagery of jet features. And we may have to make a video just about this paper. So check that out. Again, you can find links at scitechdaily.com. And we don't mean to promote the publication every single day. But hey, there's a plug once again. Probably my favorite science publication. An absolutely fantastic study here. Again, from 19 different sources. including the EHT, ALMA, EAVN, VLBA, GMVA, Hubble Space Telescope, Neil Gorel Swift Observatory, the Chandra X-ray Observatory, the Nuclear Spectroscopic Telescope Array, Fermi-LAT, HESS collaboration, the MAGIC collaboration, the Veritas collaboration, NASA, and ESA. And that's today's Cosmology segment. See you later. Twitch will be back for a meteorology segment.